Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a well-equipped 2013 Chrysler 300C all-wheel drive, stock number Z6494B. Only 44,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Granite Crystal Metallic in color. The 300 is in the large car class. Very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5, leather interior. Rear outboard seats are also heated. Split seat back fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This 300C has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, power adjustable pedals, and power tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Oversized panoramic moonroof. Large, easy to read ice blue gauges. Again, only 44,000 miles. With driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats, heated steering wheel, as well as ventilated seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. 8-speed automatic transmission. Heated as well as cooled cup holders. Great for commuters. Lots of storage space in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror, home-link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and power sun. Under the hood, this 300 has a 3.6-liter V6, 292 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 27 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this 300, please go to Sheboygan.Auto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. Sheboyganautos.com.